Here we go. A very interesting question on ranking and ordering of 5 persons based on their heights and weights. So look at this. 5 boys J, K, L, M and N are of different height and different weight. The boys are ranked from 1 to 5 according to their heights, such that the tallest boy is given 1, the second tallest rank 2, and so on. Similarly, they are ranked in weight, such that the heaviest boy is given rank 1, the second heaviest is given rank 2, and so on. The following information is known about them. So basically, we have 5 boys here, J, K, L, M and N, who have been ranked based on their heights and weights. Remember, they have all got different heights and different weights. Okay. Now they are ranked 1 to 5 according to their heights. So the tallest boy will be given rank 1, second tallest will be given rank 2, and so on. Similarly, in terms of weight also, the heaviest boy will be given rank 1, second heaviest will be given rank 2, and so on. Okay, now you got to understand the terminology a little bit. When it comes to weight, we talk about heaviest and lightest. Heaviest boy will be given rank 1, second heaviest, and so on. The lightest boy will be given rank 5. Similarly, when it comes to height, how do you do it? The tallest, see, when it comes to height, it is tallest, shortest, and so on. Right? So the tallest guy will be given rank 1 and the shortest guy will be given rank 2. Rank 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So remember, the terminology here is important, because if you see, all the statements will use these words, taller, heavier, lighter, shorter, and so on. Right? So you got to understand, heavier and lighter refers to the weight, tall, short refer to height. And heaviest and tallest guys will get rank 1, lightest and shortest guys will get rank 5. And in between there will be 2, 3, 4 ranks. Now, we have to arrange them based on their heights and weights. So I think let's make a table here. Right? Sorry. And we'll have 3 columns here. Rank. This is the rank column. Here's the height column. And this is the weight column. Let's say rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll have to arrange them based on their heights here and based on their weights. Remember, the tallest guy will come here, heaviest guy will come here, shortest guy and lightest guy. Okay. Now let us make the pictorial representations of, meaning representations in terms of inequalities for the given statements. Like the first statement says J is taller than K and lighter than L. You have to pay attention. He's comparing J and K in terms of height, and he's comparing J and L in terms of weight, because taller refers to height, lighter is a term with reference to weight. So you have to be very, very careful about it, right? So it says J is taller than K and lighter than L. So J is taller than K meaning what? It is about height, so I'll write under this. J is taller than K, J greater than K. And lighter than L. J is taller than K and lighter than L. J is less than L in terms of height. So J's rank will be lower with respect to L. J's rank will be higher with respect to K in terms of height. You understand? J is taller than K. J is taller than K. J is greater than K. Greater as in not in terms of number here. Taller meaning his rank will be better. You understand that? Again, don't get confused. J greater than K does not mean that J will have a bigger number than K. J's height is bigger than K. So his rank will be better. Okay. And lighter than L. J is lighter than N. J less than L. Similarly, M is heavier than K and taller than N. M is heavier than K. M is heavier than K. Now heavy, he says, heavy is for weight. M is heavier than K. M greater than K and taller than N. M is taller than N. M taller than N. So M is greater than N in terms of height. N is not as tall as K. Now if you refer to the videos of ranking and ordering and coded inequalities, we have discussed this. Not as tall as refers to what? Less than, shorter. N is not as tall as K. N is not as tall as K would mean N is lighter than K. N is shorter than K. You getting it? N is not as tall as K. So N is shorter than K, which means N less than K. And not heavier than J. And not heavier than J. N who's, see, and always refers to the first person again. Don't get confused. And always is referred to the first person in every statement here. So N is not as tall as K, meaning N is shorter than K. So N less than K. And N is not heavier than J. N is not heavier than J means N is lighter than J. N is less than J. N is lighter than J. Right? So that's the understanding of the first three statements. We have made all the inequations here, right? N is lighter than J, not heavier than J. N is not heavier than J, so N is less than J. Now, fourth statement is important. Look at the fourth statement. No person got the same rank in height and weight. No person got the same rank in height and weight. Meaning, N's rank in height and weight cannot be same. So, if it is N here, it cannot be N in first rank. If it is J in second rank, J cannot be second rank here. If it is, let's say, L in third rank, L cannot be third rank in weight. The ranks have to be different for height and weight. And further, sum of the ranks of no two persons is same. Now that's something we need to really understand, right? What does it mean? Sum of the ranks of no two persons is the same. Sum of the ranks of no two persons is the same. Meaning, for every person, when you add the sum of their ranks, meaning the rank of their height and the rank of their weight, it is going to give you a different number. You're able to follow? The sum of the ranks of no two persons is the same. So, meaning, let's say J has got a rank in height, J has got a rank in weight. If you add, you'll get a number. Similarly, M has got a rank in height and rank in weight. When you add the ranks of M, both the ranks of M, both the ranks of J, you'll get a number. Those two numbers cannot be same. Those two numbers have to be different. So this is important point which will help us actually finalize a lot of things, right? No two persons have the same rank, and the sum of the ranks of no two persons are going to be same, right? Last statement. The number of persons taller than N is same as those lighter than J. Now this again is important. The number of persons taller than N is same as those lighter than J. Number of persons taller than N is equal to those who are lighter than J. Now let's try to break our head on this point here. First of all, I think this is the starting point, because you cannot really do anything with these 3 points on height and these 3 points on weight. Point number 4 is important, but then to start the whole arrangement here or do the ranking here, point number 5 will play a key role. Number of persons taller than N. Now try and understand. We know that N is shorter than K. K is shorter than J. So if I kind of club these two, what's the conclusion I'll get? N less than K less than J. Yes or no? N is less than K, K is less than J. N less than K, K less than J, K is less than J. Also we know N less than M. N is less than M. Now where exactly will M come, we don't know. So the two pieces of information I have here is, one is N less than K less than J, N is less than K, K is less than J, and N is less than M. N is less than M, meaning N is shorter than M. What does it mean now? You cannot really get the full arrangement of ranks. N less than K less than J. Now where will M come? M can come between N and K, and M can come between K and J. It can come between, it can come after J also. There are 3 possibilities. We can't really fix the position of M. All we know is N will be shorter than K and J. N will also be shorter than M. So definitely K, J and M, these 3 persons are taller than N. One thing is for sure, N will be shorter than K, N will be shorter than J, N will be shorter than M also. There is no mention of L here. In terms of height, L is completely outside now. L's mention is not done at all. But one thing is for sure, that N will be shorter than at least 3 persons. K, J and M all are taller than M. All are taller than N. You getting it? K, J, M, K, J, M, all 3 guys. All these 3 guys, K, J, M, are taller than N. Are taller than N. Meaning, if you see, minimum 3 persons be taller than N. So N's rank can either be 4 or it can be 5. I'm taking 2 possibilities within heights. Similarly, within weights also, I think we should take 2 possibilities. N's rank will either be 4 or 5. Now, if N's rank is 4, mean what? KJM will be 1, 2, 3 in some order. L will come in the last position. That is also for sure. If N is in 4th position, KJM will be above N clearly in some order. We don't know what that order is. And L will be the last person. But in case number 2 of heights, if N is last, see, N cannot be 3rd rank, N cannot be 2nd rank, N cannot be 1st rank. That is for sure. 1, 2, 3 is ruled out for N. N should be 4 or 5. If N is 5, then K, J, M and L will be 1, 2, 3, 4 in some order, which we cannot say immediately. Similarly, you do the same working for height. See, understand. What do we know here? N less than J less than L. N less than J less than L, right? So I can say n is less than j is less than l, and m is greater than k. M is greater than k. So two independent inequations we get. One is n is less than j less than n. N is less than j. See, I am connecting these two basically. N is less than j, j is less than l. So n less than j, j less than l, right? And then m greater than k, m is greater than k. These are the two inequations we have. Okay. Now let me explain the next part to here. Look at point number 5. What do you see? Number of persons taller than n is same as those lighter than j. Number of persons taller than n is same as those lighter than j. Look at this. What does it mean? If you consider case 1, number of persons taller than n. How many persons are taller than n? 1, 2, 3. In case 1, see, this right side is case 1. Left side is case 1. The right side is case 2. Case 1 of heights, case 1 of weights, case 2 of heights, case 2 of weights. Overall, there are only two cases. One should be connected with 1, 2 should be connected with 2. Okay. Or maybe I can draw two separate tables also, but it's easy to follow, I guess. He says number of persons taller than n. How many persons are taller than n? 1, 2, 3. Is same as those lighter than j. If 3 persons are taller than n, there should be 3 persons lighter than j. 3 persons lighter than j meaning j's rank will be 2. There will be 3 persons lighter than j. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5 ranks all are lighter than j. Yes or no? 3, 4, 5 all are lighter than j. Similarly, if I take case number 2, how many persons are taller than n? Number of persons taller than n. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 persons taller than n. If there are 4 persons taller than n, then there should be 4 persons lighter than j. Number of persons taller than n is same as, it is equal to those lighter than j. If there are 4 persons taller than n, there should be 4 persons lighter than j, which means j should be first rank. Only then 4 persons will be lighter than j. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the meaning of fifth statement, which you have already marked. You are able to follow? The fifth statement we have already marked now. According to the data that we have, there are two possibilities for the rank of n in terms of height. N can be 4th ranker or 5th ranker, because minimum 3 persons are taller than n, who are k, j, m. So 4th rank or 5th rank. If n is 4th rank, j should be 2nd rank, because number of persons taller than n should be equal to number of persons lighter than j. If n is 5th rank, j should be 1st rank. So that number of persons taller than n, 4, is equal to number of persons lighter than j, 4. Now if you observe, we have got 2 cases already. Yes or no? We have got 2 cases already. But then case 2 is incorrect. Why am I telling case 2 is incorrect? Try and observe. According to case 2, j's rank is first in height, in weight. J has got the first rank in weight. But I know that j is less than l. This is weight condition only, right? J is less than l. J is less than l. Yes or no? J is less than l. So can j be the rank 1 holder in weight? No. Because j is lighter than l. J is lighter than l means l's rank will be higher than j. So j cannot take first position. If j takes first position, l has to take something above 1, which does not exist. So this is wrong. If this is wrong, this also is wrong. Because fifth condition says number of persons taller than n is same as number of persons lighter than j. So case 2 is wrong. This is wrong. Forget about case 2. We thought there will be a case 2, but case 2 is wrong. So there is only one case now. N is 4th rank in height, L is 5th rank in height, and J is 2nd rank in weight. Now, again if you see, I already know that J is lighter than L, or L should be heavier than J. L should be heavier than J. So L has to take rank 1 in terms of weight. So which conditions are satisfied? N less than L, N greater than L. N greater than L is satisfied. N greater than L is satisfied here, yeah, and L greater than J is satisfied here. L greater than J. Of course, N greater than L is a hidden condition. No mention of L was given. Since I know the 3 persons above are going to be K, J, M, of course the 5th rank has to be L. Okay. So that much is done. So far we have already marked N and L and L and J. Okay. Now let's fill the gaps. What do we know? Basically we know that K, J, M, all 3 should take the first 3 positions in some order. K, J, M. K, J, M. I know that J cannot be 2nd ranker. J should be 1st ranker or 3rd ranker. Why can't J be 2nd ranker here? Because J is already 2nd ranker in weight. So J cannot be 2nd ranker in height. Okay. Similarly, what do we know here? J greater than, less than L is done. N less than J, J less than L. So N has to come third or fourth or fifth, but n cannot be taking fourth position. So I'll do a little bit of cleanup. I think what I'll do is I'll just remove this case 2, case 2. We could have drawn another table to make it look neater, but let me just clear this up so that I can try out some possibilities. I hope you are all on the same page so far. We have been able to fix the ranks of 2 persons in height and 2 persons in weight. This case 2 is gone now. Only one case that we have considered. Now, let me do one thing. Understand, what do we know? Since J has got second rank here in weight, J cannot take second rank in height. J can take either first rank or J can take third rank. N and L is fixed. Let me take one more case. Basically, what I am trying to do is N, L is fixed, L, J is fixed. I am trying one more possibility now. What am I trying to do now? J has got second rank in weight, so J cannot take second rank in height. J can take first rank or J can take third rank. Similarly, if you see N has got fourth rank here in height. So can N take fourth rank in weight? No. So N can take either third rank or fifth rank. Anyway, I think J cannot take third rank also. This is ruled out. This case is ruled out. J cannot take third rank. Why can't J take third rank? Because if J takes third rank, we know that K is less than J. Yeah, I think this is also wrong. I mean wrong as in this case is eliminated. J cannot take third rank. Why can't J take third rank? Because if J comes in third rank, K has to be less than J. Meaning K has to be fourth or fifth. So J cannot take third rank. J cannot take third rank, J cannot take second rank. So J has to take first rank. That is fixed. Now between K and M we have to decide here. See, both K and M are greater than N but less than J. That is for sure. So this will be K slash M, M slash K. I hope you are able to follow. You getting it? We thought J could take first rank or third rank, but now I have eliminated the third rank for J, because if J takes third rank, K will not have a position. Fourth and fifth ranks are already blocked by N and L. Right? Now what do we do? Similarly, let's try and do something in terms of weight. L is first we know, J is second we know. If you see, N cannot be fourth ranker. So N should be third ranker. Now I'll do this. Now that one of the cases is eliminated here, this is all eliminated. See, N cannot be fourth ranker. So N can be either third ranker or N can be fifth ranker. Right? And if I fix the rank of N as 3 or 4, we know that M is greater than K in terms of height. M is greater than K meaning M has to come fourth rank position, K has to take here, M has to take third and K has to take here. You're able to follow? We fixed L and J initially. There are two possibilities for weight, let's assume. LJ, first and second ranks. I fix the position of N next. How can I fix the position of N? I know that definitely N is fourth in terms of height. So N cannot be fourth in terms of weight. N can be third or fifth. So LJN are fixed. M and K. We know that M is greater than K. So M should come above K. M should come above K. This is done. Now try and understand how do we eliminate the wrong case, or how do we complete the whole thing. Yeah. So M greater than K satisfied. N less than J satisfied. M greater than N is also satisfied in all the cases. I think all the points have been considered. Now I think we have to go with this idea. I mean, point number 4 is only going to help us get out of this eventually, right? No person got the same rank in height and weight. So JL, fine. KMJ or MKN. I think the only possibilities, only thing is M cannot take third rank here and M cannot take third rank here. These two cannot exist together. NMK is fine, LKN is also fine. And then I think let's use this point. The sum of ranks of no two persons is the same. Sum of the ranks of no two persons is same. So if you see sum of the ranks of J is equal to 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. If I look at N, or if I look at K, there are 4 possibilities for K. There are 4 possibilities for M also. There are 2 possibilities for N. Sum of the ranks of N. N has got 4th rank here. 4 plus 3, 7, or 4 plus 5, 9. So ranks of N are 7 and 9. L. What is the rank of L? 5 plus 1. Only one possibility. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So since L is equal to 6, and j is equal to 3. Other sums cannot be 6 or 3. So check if there is any other sum which is 6 or 3. I hope all of you have followed so far, just trying to look at the possibilities. So j, we have got only one possibility 3, L we have got only one possibility 6, N has got 7 or 9. Let me do it for others also. K and M, they'll have 4 possibilities. That's the concern I have. If I look at K, what are the sums of K? 2 plus 5, 7, 2 plus 4, 6. So 2 plus 5, 7, or 2 plus 4 equals to 6, or 3 plus 4, 7, and 3 plus 5, 8. 3 plus 4 equals to 7, or 3 plus 5 equals to 8. These are the 4 ranks of K. I mean, some of the ranks of K. 7, 6, 7, 8. And finally M. What are the ranks of M? 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. I'm sure we can do something better than this. For the lack of any other idea, I'm just trying to find out the sums. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. Or 3 plus... Acha, M, this and this is not possible. And 3 plus 4, 7. So actually, if you see, there are 3 combinations possible. I mean, let me make it simpler. If you observe, in case of weights, we have got 2 orders. In case of heights also, we have got 2 orders. J, K, M, and L. J, M, K, and L. Similarly, J, yeah. So I think what is easy to do is maybe take all the 4 possible cases and then eliminate very quickly, which is what I am trying to figure out using sums. But let me make it very simple. You understand what are the 4 possible cases? In terms of heights also, there are 2 possibilities, right? J is anyway fixed as number 1, N, L are fixed as 4 and 5. So you see, 1 with 1, 1 with 2, 2 with 1, 2 with 2. There are the 4 possible combinations, right? These are the 4 possible combinations. So let's try all the 4 combinations and we'll be able to eliminate easily. So what I'll do is J, K, M, N, L. J, K, M, N, L. J, K, M, N, L I have taken. I'll take it with weight 1. L, J, N, M, K. This is one case. Similarly, J, K, M, N, L with L, J, M, K, N cannot be considered. Let me first write anyway to explain you why it cannot be considered. J, K, M, N, L and L, J, M, K, N. So 1 with 1 and 1 with 2 is done. Now 2 with 1 and 2 with 2. You understand? So J, M, K, N, L. J, M, K, N, L. L, J, N, M, K. L, J, N, M, K. And the last one is J, M, K, N, L. L, J, M, K, N. I think we should have, from the beginning itself, we should have considered the table like this. So now my learning is, instead of having one column for heights always and one column for weights, we should have multiple columns of height, weight, height, weight, height, weight, so that it becomes easy eventually. If I had started in this order initially, we could have solved it by now. So you understood what have we done? This is case 1 of height, case 2 of height, case 1 of weight, case 2 of weight. So if you see, this is 1-1 combination, 1 with 1. J, K, M, N, L, J, K, M, N, L, and then L, J, N, M, K. And this is 1 with 2, this is 2 with 1, and this is 2 with 2. 4 possible combinations. Now 1 with 2 is ruled out because M has got the same rank, M and M. So 1, 2 is ruled out, right? Similarly, try to rule out the other things. Is there any other place where they are getting same ranks? No. So same ranks ka ho gaya. Now we have to look at the sums. So find out if there is, see, M, N, N, M. This will eliminate this because some of the ranks of M is 3 plus 4, 7. Some of the ranks of N is also 3 plus 4, 7. So this cannot be considered. Now between 2, 1 and 2, 2, eliminate. See, I think the idea is that the persons cannot be diagonally opposite. Like here, if you see M, M, N, N are diagonally opposite. If they are diagonally opposite, the rank, some of the ranks is going to be same. So find out if there are persons diagonally opposite, like pairs of persons which are diagonally opposite, like this. J's sum is 1 plus 2, 3. So find out all the sums. J's sum is 3. M's sum is 2 plus 4, 6. K's sum is 3 plus 5, 8. N's sum is 4 plus 3, 7. L's sum is 1 plus 5, 6. So this is the problem. You see, M's sum of ranks 2 plus 4, 6. L's sum of ranks 1 plus 5, 6. Sums cannot be same, right? M plus M and L plus L both are giving 6 and 6. So this is wrong. So I think this is the final answer. 2 2 is the final answer. Unless we have something wrong here as well. 2 2 is the final answer in my view. J M K N L and L J M K N. Check the sums. J M K N L L J M K N. Yeah, I think that's the final answer. You can check all the sums, right? 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 4 7, 4 plus 5 9, and this is 6. Yeah. So this is the final answer. I'm sure answering questions is not going to be very difficult. Let's quickly look at the questions as well. Which of the following is true regarding K from given data? K is heavier than L and shorter than M. K is heavier than L. Is K heavier than L? Is K heavier than L? No, K is not heavier than L. See, K is lighter. The second column is weight. K is lighter than L. So first option is wrong. Only one person is taller than K. Is only one person taller than K? No, there are two persons who are taller than K. So this also is wrong. K is taller than N. Is K taller than N? K is taller than N, yes. And K is lighter than M. Is K lighter than M? K lighter than M, yes. I think option 3 is the answer. K got second rank in height. K got second rank in height. No, K got third rank in height. So anyway, fourth also is wrong. Option 3 is the answer. Who is heaviest person? Who is heaviest person? Heaviest person is L. Who is taller as well as heavier than M? Who is taller and heavier than M? Taller and heavier than M. See, taller than M is J. Heavier than M is also J. So J is the answer. What is the sum of the ranks of M? Sum of the ranks of M? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5.